Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Here's our comprehensive review of the TellmeGen DNA test kit. For product links and other helpful resources, check the description below. TellmeGen offers a comprehensive DNA testing experience designed to provide a broad spectrum of information about your health, wellness, ancestry, and genetic predispositions. It's a powerful tool for anyone wanting a deeper understanding of their genetic makeup and its influence on their overall well-being. The TellmeGen process is straightforward and user-friendly. After ordering the kit, you'll collect a saliva sample using the provided tube and mail it back. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you'll receive a detailed report accessible through their secure online portal. This report is organized into 4 key sections: health, wellness, ancestry, and traits. A standout feature of TellmeGen is its emphasis on health insights. It analyzes your genetic predispositions for over 400 traits, including potential risks for conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even rare genetic disorders. Furthermore, it includes carrier status information for conditions that could be passed on to your children. The wellness section provides practical insights into how your genetics may impact your diet, metabolism, and exercise routines. For example, it might reveal a genetic predisposition to lactose intolerance or provide information on how your body metabolizes caffeine. TellmeGen also includes ancestry analysis. While not as in-depth as dedicated ancestry testing services, it still offers valuable information about your genetic origins, allowing you to explore your heritage and familial connections. An added bonus is the traits analysis, which reveals fascinating insights into characteristics like eye color, sleep patterns, and even alcohol tolerance. So, who should consider this kit? TellmeGen is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a holistic view of their genetic profile, particularly those interested in health-related information. It's ideal for anyone wanting to make informed choices about their lifestyle, diet, and healthcare based on their unique genetic makeup. In conclusion, TellmeGen offers a well-rounded DNA testing experience. Its focus on health and wellness, combined with ancestry and traits information, provides substantial value for anyone curious about their genetic blueprint. Click the links in the description to learn more about TellmeGen or to purchase your own kit today.